Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant elderberry cuttings. First, choose healthy, dormant stems from an established elderberry plant. Look for branches that are about 6 to 12 inches in length and have at least 2 nodes. Make a clean, straight cut just below a node at the bottom and a slanted cut above a node at the top. This helps you remember which end is up. Once you have your cuttings, it's time to prepare them for planting. Carefully remove all leaves from the bottom 2/3 of each cutting to prevent moisture loss. Next, dip the bottom end of the cutting into a rooting hormone powder. This significantly increases your chances of success. Finally, prepare small pots with a good quality, well-draining potting mix. Now, gently insert each prepared cutting 2 to 3 inches deep into the potting mix. Make sure at least one node is buried in the soil, as this is where roots will form. Water the cuttings thoroughly immediately after planting to help settle the soil and eliminate air pockets. Keep the pots in a warm, bright spot, but protect them from intense, direct sunlight. Continue to keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, which can lead to rot. You should start to see roots developing within 4 to 8 weeks. Once the cuttings have established a good root system, they are ready to be transplanted into larger pots or directly into your garden. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.